Hello, my name is Monica Munoz, and I just wanted to give you an update of what I have created this week. Last week I only had like around 9 slides, and this week I ended up with 22 slides. The first one that I want to show you is an interactive slide that I created for the students to order the life cycle of the frog. As you could see, they're going to drag the images in order for them to put it in order of what happened first to the last. They submit it, and it says try again. That means they have to go back and order them. I decided to make this part of their grade, final grade. So then I created this vocabulary interactive slide as well. So it gives the students a review of what they have learned. Again, the audience for this project is first graders, so I tried to include a lot of visuals and stuff for them to repetition in order for them to learn what they're learning. Here I have this, I created this hangman, and let me show you what it looks like. So it has questions related to words that are related to a frog, so they attempt. So they have a couple of attempts, and I set it up to 20 seconds. So it says it failed. So they could retry. They have 3 questions. So now let me take you to the other slide. Here's my assessment. I have some multiple choice questions. And that's for that. On this one, this week I included a video on YouTube. My first weeks I played a lot trying to integrate a video, and I wasn't able to do it, but this week I added this video, YouTube video. So here it is. And it has the life cycle of the butterfly. As you could notice, I added the option to put captions while they're talking. So that is it for the video. Let me take you back to the presentation. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned that I also added the continue buttons. And here are the slides of the life cycle of the butterfly. And here are the other slides that I added. All the slides have voice, but for the purpose of time, I'm not going to show you. And here's the other part of the assessment. So on this one, they have to, let me take it back. On this one, they have to rearrange the order, the sequence. And then last, I made this memory game. Let me show you how it looks. So that's the memory game. So now let me show you my 3D project that I worked on. On that one, I did have a little bit more difficulty in creating it. It did take me a while to export an image. I was not able to utilize the ones that Captivate offers. So I had to search for one on Google, but it's not that, as you can see, it's not that clear. So I added a little bit of text. Oh, let me show you how it will look like. Here it is. So here's some of the stuff that I added. I added a little bit of information of the butterflies, where they migrate, and the exit. I'm going to be working more on that slide, but for right now, this is what I have. Thank you.